session, dear student, last session we have studied the geometric contraction for the basic concepts. To study now the basic concepts, then another similar triangle, to construct a similar triangles, to construct a triangle similar to the given triangles. म्हणजे एखाद्या त्रिकोणाचा समरूप त्रिकोण आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कंस्ट्रक्शन त्याचं करायचं आहे. तर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स म्हणजे एखाद्या समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजू दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजूशी ज्या प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये असतील, प्रमाणात असतील, तर ते दोन त्रिकोण आपल्याला सिमिलर त्रिकोण ट्रायंगल्स म्हणून आपल्याला दाखवता येईल. किंवा the proportion at the corresponding angles of these triangles are equal, म्हणजे त्याचे जर कोनी ग्रुप असतील तर तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण सुद्धा समरूप होतात. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्या संदर्भात काही उदाहरण या ठिकाणी आपल्याला बघायचं आहे की जर दोन ट्रायंगल जर सिमिलर असतील तर त्याच्या बाजू प्रमाणात असतात, म्हणजे साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.4 cm, BC is equal to 4.2 cm, AC is equal to 6.0 cm, AB is PQ. There is the given ratio 3:2, and construct triangle ABC and PQR. Given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR is now given. Sides are in proportion. AB divided by the corresponding ratio of these points. AB is divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. That is equation number 8. Given AB divided by PQ is equal to 3/2. AB is divided by PQ is equal to 3/2. Then AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter. AB is equal to 5.4 divided by PQ. We have put up the value of AB is equal to 3/2. Cross multiplication, PQ multiplied by 3 is equal to 5.4 into 2. That is PQ is equal to 5.4 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. याला जर आपण भाग दिले 3 × 3 आणि 3 × 8 24. Then PQ is equal to 1.8 multiplied by 2. That is PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Then the value of PQ is equal to 3.6 centimeter is find there. Then AB is divided, another form equation में AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. That is equation number 1. AB divided by PQ is equal to 3/2. That is the given. That is given. And for the value of BC is equal to 4.2 divided by QR. Cross multiplication 3 into QR is equal to 4.2 multiplied by 2. Then 3 is transfer there, divide. Then हाथ भाग दिला 3 × 3 आणि 3 × 12. That is the QR is equal to 1.4 multiplied by 2. That is 2.8 centimeter. Then from another ratio, that is equation from equation 1, AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by PR. The value of AB divided by PQ is equal to 3/2 is equal to 6 divided by PR. Then cross multiplication 3 into PR is equal to 2 into 6. That is 12. 3 for the 12. That is PR is equal to 4 centimeter. Here the construction of triangles. Now to construct a triangle for ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR. Here the ABC is now given. AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Then the basement of the triangle ABC is now BC. We have to given a draw BC. That is B. Point B is draw their plane. Now BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter. BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter. That is, we have to given now 4.2 centimeter. BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And to take a compass, we have to given a distance both the points. That is, you have to draw a point A. Here AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter. We have to given the AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter. तर या ठिकाणी A B बिंदूवर लोखंडी टूप ठेवून अशा प्रकारे कर्व काढा की जो 5.4 सेंटीमीटरचा असेल. 5.4 सेंटीमीटरचा असेल. एक मिनिट पॉज करा. आता लोखंडी टूप ठेवून B या लोखंडी टूप ठेवून असा एक कर्व काढला आपण आणि नंतर याला आपण AB चा 5.4 चा एक कर्व काढला, त्याला छेदणारा AC येणारा बिंदू या ठिकाणी A असेल. AC वर 6 लोखंडी टोक असे अशा प्रकारे ठेवून AC वर आपण 6 सेंटीमीटरचा एक चॉक मारलेला आहे. तो जिथे छेदेल तिथे नाव दिलेलं आहे A, आणि A पासून आपण या ठिकाणी AB जोडलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी AB अशा प्रकारे जोडलेला आहे. नंतर AC या ठिकाणी अशा पद्धतीने जोडलेला आहे. तर हा ट्रायंगल आपल्याकडे या ठिकाणी ABC नावाचा कन्स्ट्रक्ट झालेला आहे. म्हणजे AB 5.4 सेंटीमीटर, BC 4.2 आणि हा 6.0 सेंटीमीटर. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला ट्रायंगल PQR हा कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचा आहे. तर या ठिकाणी कन्स्ट्रक्ट ट्रायंगल PQR such that आता आपण PQ काय फाइंड आउट केलेलं आहे? PQ 3.6 सेंटीमीटर, QR is equal to 2.8 centimeter and PR is equal to 4 centimeter. Then we have to given BC. BC means QR. या ठिकाणी Q नावाचा बिंदू स्थापन करा. Q पासून R 2.8 सेंटीमीटर अंतर घ्या. अशा प्रकारे 2.8 सेंटीमीटर. Q बिंदूवरून आपल्याला एक चॉक मारायचा आहे, कर्व काढायचा आहे. तो येणारा बिंदू कोणता असेल? P. PQ 3.6. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला एक असा चॉक मारा. येणारा कर्ववर P नावाचा बिंदू असेल. PR आपल्याला 4 सेंटीमीटर घ्यायची. तर त्याला छेदणारा असा चॉक मारा. ज्या ठिकाणी छेदेल त्या ठिकाणी P नाव द्या आणि अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला PQ आणि PR बघा दोन समरूप त्रिकोण या ठिकाणी तयार झालेले आहेत. तर PQ चं अंतर आहे 3.6 सेंटीमीटर. आपण 2.8 सेंटीमीटर बेस घेतलेला आहे आणि PR चं अंतर आहे आपल्याकडे 4.4 सेंटीमीटर. अशा पद्धतीने हे दोन ट्रायंगल एकमेकांशी सिमिलर आहे असं आपण या ठिकाणी दाखवलेलं आहे. आणि आपण काय केलेलं की दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवताना त्याच्या बाजू आपण त्याच्या फाइंड आउट केलेल्या आहे. ओके. कंस्ट्रक्ट एनी ट्रायंगल ABC. कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्रायंगल MBN. In this matter we have to see there point B is there common. Point P is there common of both triangles such that AB is MB is equal to 5.3 is the given ratio and triangle ABC similar triangle MBN. So last session we have to divide a line segment. To divide a line segment. So such type of line segment used for this construction. In this matter we have to given AB is MB, that is B is the common vertex. Thus we have to draw a point B. We have to draw a point B. Then AB means B. We have to draw a rays now. We have to draw a rays now. Here the rays BC. Then we have to construct a triangle ABC. First time we have to construct a triangle ABC MBN such that AB is parallel to MB. We have to given a divide a segment, line segment. Point B we have to given an angle 40 and 30. There is the common. Then we have to common their lower side. We have to take a angle 40 or 30. Then we have to construct a triangle 30. Then opposite side of this rays, lower side of these rays are construct now. Then we have to take ABCMB. That is ABCMB means 5:3. Then we have to draw a AB is equal to 5 plus 3 means 8 equal parts. That is 8 equal parts. We have to, there is a one common distance. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is a 5 equal parts. Highest 5 plus 3 is not there. There is a greater than the 5 parts of these triangles. There is a B1, it is there B2, it is a B3, it is B4 and it is B5 line. Then we have to draw a BC. We have to draw a BC. Now here BC is equal to what? Sir? We have to draw a perpendicular of B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Here the B5. There are the 5 equal parts of the given segment, that is point C is there dotted now, and here there is a angle of 90 degrees. There is an angle of 90. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal parts. Here the given triangles, ABC, here ABC, there is an angle of 40 degrees. There is an angle of 40 degrees. Now both angles are equal. Then we have to draw a rays of ABC. Here the point is dotted the A. Now there is a 3 parts of the MB. It is a 3 parts because now the point M. It is a MB. MB is the 3 parts and BC is the 5 parts. BC is the 5 parts. There is the MB. Here to construct MB, there is an angle. 2 equal angles are given now. Congruent angles are now. Then here we have to given a congruent angles. That is, we have to take a congruent angles now. It is there, and to draw another point MB to draw in front there. There is a point M. It is also a N. It is also a N. Then another points we have to draw equal angles now. Then we have to see as they are equal angles. It is a C point that is, and we have to given now the another triangles. Then it is also a point A. We have to draw a ABC. Construct any triangle ABC. Construct MBN such that ABCMB is 5:3. Then AB is equal to 5 equal parts and MB is equal to 3 equal parts, and ABC is similar triangle MBN. Then it is a final construction of that triangle ABC. Another triangles now. Here construct triangle HBD. Similar triangle ABC such that HB is equal to 5:7 parts. There is we have to draw a point B. We have to draw a point base and to start a rays in a plane now. It is also a rays, and to given angles of these matters is equal to 30 degree or 40 degree both sides. 40 degrees their upper side and lower side of the point B. To draw both rays from vertex B at lower side and upper side. Then we have to draw upper side of the line rays. Here 40 degrees. Now we have to draw a 7 parts. We have to draw a 7 parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts of the, that is B1, that is B2, that is B3, that is B4, that is B5, that is B6 and that is B7 is the equal 7 parts of this triangle. Now we have to draw a 90 angle of this matter. Now here the 90 angle of this matter, here the 90 angle, and then it is a perpendicular. It's a point B7. It is a HBC. ABC is convert the equal triangles now. That is, there is a equal triangles. There is a 5:7. There is a 5:7. Here the triangles of this both are here, the point here, and then equal parts of this matter now. B:7, B:7, that is point C. Here the 90 angle, and both angles are converted to two triangles, that is D. Here the D now. Then point D to convert the equal angles, then it is also a equal angles, that is a point D, and to convert another sides of this HBD. Then we have to draw a C point. There is a equal triangles. Now it is also a equal angles of this matter. Now to draw a point here, there is a point C. Now it is also another triangle. We have to draw A. This is also point A. ABC, similar triangle HBD. There is a contraction. Okay.